This stiff-leg Davit crane was designed and manufactured by APPI to meet the Port of Ventura's specifications. Their requirements included 14 feet of reach from the center of rotation and 23 feet of elevation above dock level with the boom fully elevated. Unlike a typical Davit crane or jib crane that relies on the base to stabilize it, the crane uses 3 stiff legs to hold it in position. The Columbia electric hoist features a continuous duty gear motor, selected to meet the customer's speed requirement. After considering a number of options, APPI was selected by the Port of Ventura as the supplier based on the design they conceived for the project. Please contact us if you want more information on our other products and services.